So now let's talk about the purpose of chaos. What is chaos here to do? Well, if you think about what happens to things in nature is they tend to get stuck. We tend to evolve to a certain point and then all of a sudden we get comfortable and then we stop evolving. The one undeniable fact about life is that the purpose of life is to evolve, to become better at being what we are. No matter what you are, whether it's a tree or a lizard or a dog or a human being, we can look at millions of years of evolution and follow fossils and we can see that the purpose of life for that particular life form is to evolve and become better at being what it is. Trees become better at being trees. Lizards become better at being lizards, and dogs become better at being dogs. And you as a human being are yearning to be the best human being you can be. And that's why chaos enters our lives at times when we get stuck. You see, when we get to a place in life where life is easy and it's flowing and our income is flowing and we know how to get along in life and everything seems to be going real smoothly, that's when chaos visits us. It's a benevolent gift of nature that whatever we know, we're forced to reinvent ourselves and find a new way to live. So the purpose of chaos is to get us unstuck. Now, what does this have to do with the cycle that you just visited? Well, before we go there, let's talk about the actual cycle of chaos. There are 4 states when we talk about chaos. The first is listening. The second is awakening. The third is knowing. And the last is the process that gets us from knowing back to listening. So if you think about it, if you know something, will you listen? Well, you won't listen for new possibility. For example, if I say 2 plus 2 equals, you plug in with 4. What if I said, if I could introduce you to a way in which 2 plus 2 could equal something other than 4, would you be interested? And you might say, well, not really. I know that 2 plus 2 is 4. That would be stuck in your knowing. Or you could say, yeah, go ahead and show me. That would be listening. 2 plus 2 can equal 2 if we're talking about 2 halves plus 2 halves. That equals 2 wholes, which is 2. So, the purpose of chaos is to get us out of our knowing. If we listen, we'll have an awakening, and if we have an awakening, we'll have a knowing.